Hi guys, Dave from Makita here. Today we're going to show you how to set up the DJN161 and the JN1601 to change the punch and die, and also to change the cutter from left and right applications. So with the spanner and the Allen key provided, we use the spanner to back off our collet nut. Once it's been removed, it will give us access to be able to pull our nose stem off. We'll grab our Allen key, we back off our two Allen bolts. This will allow us to remove our die. And take our old die off, and we'll replace it with our new die. We then reinstall our two Allen screws, which we then tighten up with our Allen key. And we put that to one side. We back off our retainer screw at the back of the punch set, which will allow us to remove our punch. We put our new punch in with the ident facing towards our Allen bolt that holds it. We tighten that up with our Allen key as well, and then we can reassemble our nose assembly. We then put our collet nut back on, and then we tighten it up with our spanner. So to change our DJN161 or JN1601 to be able to cut left or right-handed, with the spanner provided, we back our collet nut off. Just undo that a few turns, then we pick the nose stem up and turn it to the left if we want a left-hand application, or we turn it to the right if we want a right-hand application. Then we tighten our collet nut back down and then just tighten it back up with the spanner. So the DJN161 and the JN160 are compatible up to 1.2mm in stainless steel and up to 1.6mm in steel. There's two little rings at the front of it down here. So stainless steel for the top one and steel for the bottom one. If it fits within those rings, it's got the capacity to cut it. So when you go to use your tool, make sure that you've got your sheet metal resting up against the top of your die, which will result in a better cut as you've got the punch and die working in conjunction with each other. If you go to the other method where we've got the material resting up at the bottom of our nose, you'll end up with a worse cut and you'll end up with a reduced lifetime of your punch because it's not working in conjunction with the die. So that's how to change the punch and die on the DJN161 and the JN1601, and correct setup of both tools. For any further information, please go to our website. Until next time, thanks for watching.